What's up, Joe?
Coming out here, I just came with you.
Yeah. I've been out here for a while.
I figured I'd come out here since it's a close enough job. So what are these large spongy squares that we have on the roof? Right up here, back side of the roof here.
Those are actually couch cushions. So we found that they work very good so they don't damage the shingles, especially when it's hot, and it's easier to walk on when it's steep. So we got gutter guards on there, right? There's a reason we use two different drip edges, two different sizes. Because of the gutter guards on those gutters, you can't use oversized drip edge. It's too big. So we use the narrow drip edge on the bottoms, and majority of the time we use oversized drip edge on the rakes. One of the things that my eyes always go to is the flashing. A lot of times they're leaking, but this actually looks pretty good. Another thing I always look for is, you can see here, that's a cheaper flashing. When they built these new construction, they put cheap flashing in there. As you can see, it's like very thin and the stuff tears real quick. It looks like they might have used a heavier one here, which is a good example here. This is heavier and this does tear. Other thing that can happen is this can start chipping away and we take out those shingles. If they got it down against the roof liners, it's unavoidable. Like they got a leak right there. Pretty solid. I don't think it needs to be, it doesn't need to be replaced. Just put flashing up in there. Darrell, do you have two different drip edges?
Yes.
The narrow drip edge would go on here because of the gutter guards. You can't put oversized drip edge on here. As you see over there, it's a little higher, so you got to go with narrow drip edge. Just take the rake and come up through best you can. Just rake it out. It's not the easiest access with the roofer's buggy. There's leaking up in there as well. We don't need to replace that, it's still solid, but we're gonna put new step flashing right there. You can see it was caulked a lot, but caulking is only temporary. I'm going to show you a roof that's streaking. The roof's probably about 20 years old. What we can do is rejuve that roof. See that one there? That's bad shape. We have a product that cleans it and we rejuve the shingles. Beautiful morning. See all the streaks? That one's the worst. It's really not that old. We can make it look brand new. Easily costs a fraction of replacing the entire thing.